Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify store, and this is free. You don't have to pay for any subscription or anything like that. You just need to go to the description of this video and you need to copy a code. After you copy that code, it's a very small code, okay? Just need to copy it and then follow the steps in this video and you will be able, guys, to remove the search icon from your Shopify. I know why, guys, a lot of people want to remove it is because a lot of people they only have one product store, like they only create one product store, so you don't have different products. Like, you don't really need the search bar, like people will not use it anyway, okay? So what you guys need to do after you copy that code, just need to click on online store, as you can see here in the left, and then you want to click on themes, okay? After that, after you click on themes, you want to click on three little dots, okay? These three little dots next to customize, and you want to click on edit code. And after that, in the top left, you want to search for base, okay, .css. Now you just need to search for this. If you can't find it, then you want to search for, let me just yeah, if you can't find this, because some people they are not going to be able, guys, to find this file, okay? Now if you don't find it, you want to search for something like liquid. At the end of the file it says they're liquid, and it says CSCSS or something like that. But anyway, I think this will work for a lot of people. So if you can't find this file, it's called base.css. Then what you guys need, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom and make a space, because you can see here this exact place. You want to click Ctrl V so that you can paste that code here, and then you want to click on save in the top right. Now I'm going to try if this works or not. As you can see, I have the search bar, but if I reload this page, the search bar has been removed, okay? So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. If it doesn't work, just let me know in the comments. I will give you guys the name of the file. If it doesn't work, I will give you the name of the file in the description, in the comments in this of this video, okay? See you guys in the next one. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.